Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 basic keys to success on Shopify. A crucial factor that's important to any e-commerce business is taking consistent photography. You don't have to take the most amazing photography in the world, but it's important that you develop a system for taking consistent photos every time. Look into purchasing a light box so that you can take pictures under controlled conditions. Photograph your products in the same kinds of environments. In any case, consistent photography is a key to ensuring that your online store looks polished and professional. This next tip is a big one for anyone managing a lot of products on Shopify. Use the bulk editor. After selecting any number of products in your online store, hit the Edit Products link to pull up the bulk editor. This is the fastest way to update product information across a variety of products and can seriously cut down your overhead in managing the products on your online store. If you're not sure how to access the bulk editor, check out our video on updating product pricing in Shopify, in which we walk through how to update product pricing in bulk. In terms of increasing conversions, the most important thing you can do is decrease the number of clicks required for your customers to make a purchase. Show off your products right on your homepage. Use featured products and featured collections to ensure that your best products are the first things your customers see when they access your online store. Another key to success that any online store can take advantage of is telling an engaging story. Telling a story that engages with your customer base is the best way to make your customers feel good about their purchase. This increases initial conversions, repeat purchases, and the organic traffic that you'll generate through word of mouth. Finally, an absolutely crucial key to success in online sales is advertising your business. The best designed online store won't draw significant traffic on its own without you putting in active effort to engage with your audience and drive customers towards your business. Whether you invest in paid advertising, social media marketing, or any other form of advertisement, it's important that you put an active effort into engaging with your customers and driving traffic to your online store. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 5 basic keys to success in online sales that every Shopify merchant should follow.